Hi, my name is Ari. I'm a senior here at Brenau and the Brenau SGA president. These are my Brenau Pro tips for you. Tip number 1, what to wear on the first day of school. Everyone wants to know. I suggest wearing something comfortable. It's hot outside. You're going to be walking around trying to find your classes. So some athletic shorts or a t-shirt is the perfect way to go. Tip number 2, no small trash cans. You can throw those out. Big trash cans will come in handy, or you'll find yourself throwing out the trash often and creating mess in your dorm for you and your dorm roommates. Tip number 3, take advantage of student spaces on campus, like here in the Tiger's Den where you can study, watch TV, print papers, or other areas on campus like our hammock garden, outside of our tea room, the common areas in your residence hall, or any nook that you might find that might be helpful for you to get things done. Tip number 4, download Google Calendar. If you're a student leader like myself or a student, this will come in handy for student schedules, class, campus events, or anything like that. It might come in handy. Tip number 5, stretch out your flex bucks. Here at the tea room, we use flex bucks to buy food, hot, fresh grilled food, or things at the convenience store side. Stretch them out for the semester so you don't have to pay to upload more at the end. Tip number 6, get out of your room as much as possible. Go to the student events, learn about student leadership opportunities, hang out with your friends. Just enjoy being outside so that you can see all that Brenau has to offer. Alright, so that's all I have for you. Take advantage of these tips and more, and I think you're on track to being a great Brenau Golden Tiger.